Hello viewers, Firefox has minimal animations when using the browser. For example, when you open the setting, the menu appears quickly and the main menu pops out just as fast. The minimal animation makes the browser feel snappy and responsive, helping to get things done quicker. However, if you are using a high specification machine and want to add a few more animation to the browser for a more visually engaging experience, you can enable them with just a few simple steps. Keep in mind this is not recommended for low budget machine as it can use a bit more processing power. How you can enable more animation in Mozilla Firefox? Open Firefox browser, then type about :config. You will see warning. Click on accept the risk and continue. Next, paste this experimental flag that you will find in the video description. It's a bit of a mouthful, but you can copy and paste it easily. Once you paste the flag, change the value from boolean to number. After that, you will see value of 0 appear. This will enable all motion effects in Firefox while you are browsing. Click on save. You don't need to restart the browser. Now when you open your menu, you will see it slide out from the side with a smooth animation. The same applies to other menus. They will fade into a view or slide in from the side. It adds a nice touch to the browser interface. If you ever want to revert back to the default snappy animation, just go back to the flag, change the value back to the boolean, and everything will return to normal, with menus popping out quickly as they did before. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.